Today we shall discuss about understanding our criminal justice system. Before going to start the chapter, I am going to put some question to you. Number one, who made the laws? Number two, what are the different organs of the government? Number three, what are the key elements of our judicial system? Number four, what is an FIR? You see, this is the simple question to you. You know, in our government, there are three types of organs. Number one, legislature. Number two, executive. Number three, judiciary. They have performed different functionaries in the implementation of law. Legislature make laws. In context of legislature, the highest legislature of our country is the parliament. The first question, parliament is make laws. Number two, executive. Executive, their function is to execute the laws. Number three, judiciary. Judiciary is the important organs of the government, that is to provide real judgment to everyone. Now, another question I have already put you, that is what are the key elements of judicial system? Key elements, there are four key elements, that is the police, public prosecutor, defense lawyer and judges. These are the four key elements. They have performed their duties in every step of law. Now, number four, what do you mean by FIR? FIR means First Information Report. When a crime occurred, at that time victim person have to file a report to the police station, that is called FIR, means First Information Report. Now you see, I am going to discuss today the important sector of judiciary part, that is understanding our criminal justice system. Criminal justice system. You see, understanding our criminal justice system. In this chapter, I am going to discuss step by step the justice system of our country. Well, student, let us start the chapter, our criminal justice system. You already know there are four key players in our judicial system, that is police, public prosecutor, defense lawyer and judges. Now you see, what are the functions of the police? Police has an important role to investigate the crime. Now, what is the role of the police is to deal with the crime and investigate the case for further clarification and to bring the offender under the law. Now, victim person submitted FIR. FIR means First Information Report. Now, the FIR, then police come to investigate the case for further clarification. But any person, police arrested due to crime and that arrested person is known as accused person. In our Constitution of India, Article number 22 clearly mentioned that criminal law granted to every arrested person the fundamental rights. The rights to be informed at the time of arrest of the offence for which the person is being arrested. Again, the right not to be ill-treated or tortured during arrest or in custody. Confession made in police custody cannot be used as evidence against accused. A boy under the 15 years of age and woman cannot be called to the police station only for questioning. Now, means first information report. First information report is a written document prepared by the police when they receive information about the commission of a cognizable offence into a crime only with the registration of an FIR. Now, these are the activity performed by the police. You see, next key element I already discussed, the public prosecutor. The public prosecutor is the one who fight against the offender, the court, to bring the justice to the victim. The public prosecutor may be appointed by the government or by the victim's family depending on the crime or the case. I am going to discuss about the meaning of public prosecutor. A law officer who conducts criminal proceedings on behalf of the state or in the public interest. Now, number third is defense lawyer. Defense lawyer is a very important role. The defense lawyer who fight in favor of the offender in the court. The defense lawyer may be appointed by the accused. Now, last not least, you see the role of the judge. Judge is like an umpire. He plays a vital role in the judicial system. You know, when is a umpire give the decision in a particular cricket match, like that way, judge has given the final verdict about the case. Now, the judge is the supreme power within the active court. She or he is the one who has the power to provide fair trial to everyone and to bring justice. Now, we have discussed about the key elements. Now, it is doubtful to you, what is the meaning of crime? A crime is an act or an omission prohibited by law, the violation of which is prosecuted by the state in a judicial proceeding in its own name. It is a public wrong as distinguishes from a private wrong. Now, civil cases and criminal cases. Some cases are specified into a criminal law. State brings the action, limited state appeals, and fine goes to the state, and beyond the reasonable doubt and the reasonable man test, higher levels intend anonymous jury, civil law, private wrong, money damage, individual brings action, both parties and appeal individual, compensation, etc. Now, you see, what is a fair trial? Fair trial is often discussed as a necessary element to ensure that the justice prevails in society. Now, in this chapter, it is clear mentioned that stories, the stolen case of a particular lady, and this particular lady blamed the houseworker or servant, but she was innocent. At last, she was released by court. Now, well, student, to settle the different types of case, there are different types of court in our country: district court, state court or high court, and last one, Supreme Court. All the court assist the Supreme Court of India, and the Supreme Court of India, the judges, Chief Justice of India, we can say the main post of this highest authority is known as Chief Justice of India. Now, you see, I am going to divide some work amongst you. Tomorrow, you will act as a drama on the judicial system, that is the mock court. Being a student, let's us discuss about some question and you will give the answer serially. Number one, who filed reports and arrest people? Number two, what are the key elements of judicial system? Number three, what do you mean by an FIR? Number four, what is the basis of fair trial? Number five, mention the role of defense lawyer and explain what is the role of public prosecutor. And again, another important question to you, that is, what is the role of a judge? Dear student, another question to you, mention the term of accused. What are the role of the police and what do we see someone violating the law? Well, student, some important question of this chapter are given to you. You do as a home assignment. Number one, what fundamental rights are granted to an arrested person as per article number 22 of Constitution and Criminal Law? Number two, explain the role of public prosecutor. Number three, briefly mention the role of judge in context to criminal justice system. Number four, how did the judge decide the case in Shanti's favor? Number fifth, mention a few guidelines which were given by D.K. Basu. This chapter is over. I think you learn well. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.